Welcome everyone, I am Ujjwal. Today we will solve a LeetCode problem step by step. The problem number is 860, which is lemonade change. Let's see the problem description. At a lemonade stand, each lemonade costs $5. Customers are standing in a queue to buy from you and order one at a time. In the order specified by bills, each customer will only buy one lemonade and pay with either a 5, 10 or 20 bills, and you must provide the correct change to each customer so that the next transaction is that the customer pays $5. Okay. Next, note that you do not have any change in the hand at first. Given an integer array bills where bills is the bill of ith customer pays, and return true if you can provide every customer with the correct change or false otherwise. So each customer can pay either 5, 10 or 20. If the customer pays $5, then we do not need to give them anything, return back the anything. But if they pays $10, we have to give back $5 to them. And if they pays $20, we have to pay them back $15. Okay, this is the main question, and we have to pay back to each of the customers present in the bills. Let's see the constraints. The bill's length will be up to 10 to the power 5, and each of the element of bills will be either 5, 10 or 20. So let's see how we can solve it. First, we need to count the currently what we have the count of $5 and $10, and we do not need to count the $20 because we do not use the $20 to give back any of them, but we can use $5 and $10. So we need to count them. So let's say 5 initially 0 and 10 initially 0 because initially we have empty handed. So now for each of the element present in bills, we check first if it is equal to 5 or no. If it is 5, just increase the 5 plus plus. So do not need to give back them anything. Okay. Else if it is equal to 10. If it is equal to 10, that means we have to give them back $5. So if we do not have $5, like if the currently we have $5, then we need to return false because we can't give the back like all the customers. So return false, and otherwise we have to give back them like $5. So 5 will be minus minus, or you can say 5 equal to 5 minus 1. Okay, that's it. And otherwise, if they pays $20, then there are two cases. We can either give back them like three $5 or one $10 and one $5, and we will try to maximize the count of $5 because we will need $5 to return back them to $10 also, or we need to return back them the $20 also. So we need to increase the $5. So if we have $10 note and the customer pays $20, so we'll try to give back them one $10 and one $5. Okay, that will be our most priority. So for that, first we will check if 10 is equal to 0. If we do not have any $10, then we must need to pay them three $5. So we check if $5 or count of $5 is less than 3, then we need to return false because we can't give back them like three $5, and otherwise 5 will be minus equal to 3. Okay, that's it. And else if the $10 are present, then we need to check if 5 is equal to 0 or not, because if one $10, at least one $10 is present, and we need to give one $5 also, so we need to find if there is no $5, then return false, and also if there is $5 present and also $10 present, then 10 minus minus and $5 also minus minus. That's it. And one more thing, if we get $10, we are like subtracting 5 minus minus, and also as we get the current $10, so we will add the 10 plus plus also. Okay, please correct it because you get the $10, so you have to increase that. That's it. And here we do not need to add anything. That's it. So after the for loop, you just need to return true. Okay, let's see will it work or not. It is accepted. Let's submit it. It is accepted. Let me discuss the time and space complexities of this algorithm. So the time complexity will be big of n because we are finding for all the, like, it is if it is possible to give them back or return back them the remaining amount for all the elements present in build. So the overall time complexity will be big of n. And for space complexity, we are not using any list or array, which is depending on the length of builds. We are just creating some variables to store the 5 count and 10 count. So the overall space complexity will be big of constant, or you can say big of 1. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out the code, you will find it in the description box below. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.